Today is our official last day in America. Finally. Security was crazy, wasn't it?
We have to take everything out of everything.
Yeah. Everything has to have its separate tray. Everything has to be on its own. Take everything out. It's pretty crazy. But we made it through and we got 2 hours to spare.
That could have been 2 hours of sleep.
I know. So now we're just going to wander around the terminal and check it out. See how it looks, yeah?
Get in trouble.
Maybe. Of course, last Starbucks visit. You ready?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I've taken my Valium, I'm all good. Alright, found my seat, pretty close to the front. Let's go. We're back. Flight wasn't too bad, was it?
Oh, it was delayed.
It was delayed, and now we've missed our last train, so we've got to Uber at home, which is annoying. But we're back. You what?
Bit pricey.
Bit pricey, but more comfortable. No changing. Nearly home.
Kinda.
We've made it to Blackfriars, but that's as far as we can get on the train. So now we're going to get an Uber. It's so quiet in here.
I know, it's creepy.
Yeah. There's like no one, and normally this is packed. Commuters and everything. You up?
It's only taken us 5 days.
To get home. Yeah. Almost there. Back home in our room, excited to be in my bed. We're just going to do a quick unpack and then jump into bed because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and we need to get sleep now so we don't get affected by jet lag.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired. Good night.